Welcome to Pyramid Securities. This is a special telecast. It's titled Weekend Wisdom. Okay, wisdom for the weekend. We'll share some interesting information in this in the coming weeks. Today, the topic is mutual fund companies. So, mutual fund companies, are they dark horses? Are they sitting ducks? In our view, they are dark horses, sitting ducks, and can create a huge wealth over the next 5 to 10 years. We'll tell you why. We'll tell you why. Mutual fund industry is still a sunrise industry. Like in the sense, like when I think when I started this business in 2007, the mutual fund industry managed 2.7 lakh crores. 2.7 lakh crores. Today, they are managing 37 lakh crores. 37 lakh crores, which means the business has gone up close to 16 times plus, close to 17 times. So, if any industry, can you tell me an industry which will go 17 lakhs plus, 17 times plus? Difficult. This is a sunrise industry. What was telecom in 1998, where we had 120 crore population and and zero, and a few lakhs of subscribers. Same thing is happening in mutual fund industry. The SIP book is around 12,000 crores. Billionaires are investing SIP. So our view is this industry, which means when I say it's going to go 10 times, that means the business is assured. You're opening a shop and somebody is assuring you business for 10 years. That means you'll make a lot of money. Okay, and the best part of the business is even if the market comes down, the investors will lose money. You will not lose money. You will only lose that much part where the revenue will be reduced. So if you're making 100 crore revenue and if the market comes down, maybe you'll make 95 crores revenue, but you will not lose money. This is a business where there is sure shot possibility of losing money is zilch. If somebody is losing money, that means he's committing fraud. Otherwise, he cannot lose money. Okay. So that apart. So which means, so why am I so bullish? Why am I so bullish? Because from 2018 to 2022, if the industry has gone up 17 times, like it's around 37 lakh crores now. If it goes to, I think it will go 10 times from here in the next 10 years. That means it will be 370 lakh crores. That means they'll make minimum 10 times profit which they're making now. So if they're making 100 crores per annum, they'll make at least 1,000 crores. That is what is the ballpark figure. So which means that but the cost may not be rise. The cost may not rise proportionately. Okay, please understand. So they have better distribution. They have larger. They have. Basically, you don't need, like if you're managing 10,000 crores with 10 people, if it goes to 30,000 crores, you don't need 30 people. That's what I'm trying to say. So the mutual fund companies are sitting ducks, and I'm seeing a lot of accumulation is happening by value investors. Generally, the accumulation happens, most of the stocks which run, the accumulation happens for a year or two and then it starts running, and that's when we all come to know. So we must also start accumulating. We must also start accumulating these mutual fund companies, identify good mutual companies and start buying them and accumulating them by either monthly basis or lump sum basis. There are a lot of mutual fund companies. How do you evaluate these? So then in my next episode, or maybe next week, I'll take the opportunity to share with you how we identify balance sheet. How do we track balance sheet in a very simple manner? In a very, very simple manner. We'll tell you how we track balance sheets, how we track companies, which retail investor or common man can understand. You don't need Excel sheets or 30-page you write up about a company. That is required for institutions to sell it to their clients. But if a company is a good company, bad company, we need 7 or 8 points to look at it, and it will take not more than 10 minutes to look at it, and have a view of the industry. So basically, if you're convinced, if you're convinced with what I said, then you will invest. For example, it's like a movie. Yeah? If somebody is telling you a good story and you feel it's going to become a hit, then you'll produce that movie. So this is a story I'm telling you about mutual fund industry, which is fairly simple to understand. I said in a very easy terms any beginner can understand that The industry, which is a 2.7 lakh crore industry, has moved to 37 lakh crores in 14 years. It can go up to ballpark minimum, I mean, on a conservative basis, 10 times, that is 370 lakh crores or 400 lakh crores. So if that happens, these companies will minimum make 8 to 10 times, their net profits will grow 8 to 10 times. That's what, it's a rough estimate. That means, and the most important thing is they will not make losses. They will not make losses. There is one more industry where they will not make losses anymore because they are making during pandemic is insurance. I will cover that in another episode. But as of now, mutual fund, stocks, sitting ducks, dark horse, huge wealth creators, carpe diem, seize the opportunity. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.